Hello guys, welcome back to my English learning session. Today I want to speak about my state, my hometown. So this topic is very important. It helps to improve our communication skills and it helps to get ideas how can we speak about our state, about our culture, tradition in English. So let's start. As I belong to West Bengal. West Bengal is my state. It is located in the eastern part of India. And climate, always we find humid and hot climate with strong mountains in West Bengal. And culture and tradition, so West Bengal is very rich in culture and tradition. Festival, Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the biggest and most famous festival in West Bengal. So people celebrate it grand way for several days. So people deeply feel connected with the festival and rituals. The lifestyle is very simple, but they enjoy their lives. They can try to live happily with unity. So they are very cooperative, helpful, and loving people. I talk about famous places in West Bengal. So we can find many famous places in West Bengal. Kolkata. Kolkata is capital city of West Bengal, and in Kolkata many tourist destination places are famous. Dakshineshwar temple, Velur Math, Victoria Memorial, and Kolkata itself is unique, beautiful city. And two places are most famous in West Bengal. Darjeeling and Sundarban. Darjeeling is known for its hilly areas and with scenic views, and while Sundarban is famous for its wildlife and unique mangrove forest. And it is located in the bank of river Ganga. So and food, so the West Bengal people's favorite food is fish curry and rice. Without fish, people food is not completed. And West Bengal has always played an important role to develop our country in our past history. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda was great social reformer. So they work hard to improve people's life. They helped to make people's lives better. And many freedom fighters also came from India. Bose, Khudiram Bose, Mangal Pandey. So they played an important role in our independence, to find independence. And many great thinkers, leaders came from West Bengal. And West Bengal has always a special place in music and singing. So quite so famous singers, Shreya Ghoshal, Kishore Kumar, Satyajit Roy are really played important role. So they contributed a great role in our music world. And so all those things makes our West Bengal special. Now I want to talk about my hometown. I live in a Purulia. Purulia is a district which situated in the western part of West Bengal, nearby Jharkhand border. Bokaro, Jamshedpur are nearby. Asansol, Bakura, Durgapur, some cities are very close to Purulia. And Purulia is a small town which is surrounded by village. So we always find very close to nature. We feel fresh. We live healthy life. Our town is quite developing town. Lifestyle is simple. People are very simple, but they have progressive mind. It has many English medium school, shopping mall, cinema hall. So we can enjoy both entertainment, shopping, and we can find good education. If I talk about culture and tradition, so we feel deeply connected with our culture and tradition. Mansa Puja. Mansa Puja is quite famous in our area. People celebrate it for several days. And Durga Puja is famous. We celebrate it with grand way. So these are the things make my city special. And about my area, my city, I can say the women enjoy more freedom here. Husbands are so cooperative, so they can take decisions, their family matter. They can take decisions for their lives. They feel independent. And as people have great education mindset, so they prefer to teach their children in English medium schools. Culture, we find music take a great place in our culture. So people prefer to teach music. People prefer to teach their kids music with their academic studies, and they can choose it as a career as well. So many singers are from West Bengal. So those some special thing we can find from our area. So really I feel very connected with my hometown, and really I feel proud to live here. Connectivity is also good, education is also good, people are very loving. So my town is also, I feel great about my town. So now it's your turn. You try to speak about your state, your hometown in one thing. I explained about my city, my state. I included some point. So this will help me to be consistent while talking. So please you notice the points that will really helpful to explain your idea. These points are: first, location, climate, culture and tradition. I included in culture and tradition festival, lifestyle of people, uh, and education. Then languages. After that, famous places. After that, famous personality and contribution. Same I follow about my hometown, Purulia. Location, climate, and my personal feeling and connectivity. So these are helps. These points are helping me to stay consistent while talking. So please you follow this and you try to speak in your own way. So keep practicing, keep learning. See you again next video. Bye.